Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your Java runtime because Javafx is bundled only through Java 8. Once done, make sure you're on Java 11 or newer and plan for an external SDK. Then download the Javafx SDK that exactly matches your JDK and OS. Unzip it to a stable folder. You set Java home and keep the Javafx SDK path handy. This immediate setup saves configuration loops later, so don't skip matching versions or leaving the SDK path ambiguous. Next, configure how your project finds Javafx. For command line builds, compile and run with module path pointing at the SDK's lib folder and include add modules Javafx, controls Javafx, fxml so the compiler and runtime load UI modules. For Maven or Gradle, add org. Open Shopify artifacts at the same version and follow their plugin instructions. This ensures transitive modules are resolved. In your IDE, edit Run VM options to include module path and add modules. Finally, compile and run with explicit module settings. For example, Java module path /full/path /javafx SDK /lib add modules Javafx. Controls CP outcome. Example. Main, if your project uses module info. Java, make sure it requires Javafx. Controls and opens or exports packages used by fxml. This resolves reflective access errors. If things go wrong, check for version mismatch between JDK, Javafx SDK, and build plugins. Fixing that alignment usually eliminates the package Javafx. Application.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.